Second tight. You know, when you tighten in a bolt and it goes loose, so you just kind of tighten it again. Yeah, that's second tight. What's up, peeps? We out here in the Junkyard garage once again. Now that we got her all back together and we fired it, hopefully you've seen that video. If not, let me put an inside view for you right here. Here we go. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Oh boy. Oh. So yeah, did you like that? She rapped pretty good, huh? Well, now that we got her all done and back together, we're gonna tear it all back apart. I worked out a deal with one of the guys that builds a lot of these heads, and this head's more like a dirt track head. And don't get me wrong, it's sweet. It's not ported, but it does have a big old cam in it. It's got sweet springs, solid lifters, or something. I don't know what it's called, but I'm not all into lashing valves and doing all that stuff, which I really should be, because if I want to make power, that's probably the way I should go, but it is what it is. So I thought I'd come give you a little update what's going on. We're going to tear this back down. I'm going to pull the head off of it. I'm going to do a head swap with old Bullport there. If you don't know Bullport and you're into 2.3s, get online and go bullport.com. He does some killer work for these things on some head work, porting. They'd make some badass stainless headers, which I'm also going to get rid of that stupid Chinese piece of crap. Anyways, and we're going to upgrade turbo. We're going to upgrade wastegate. Yeah, so I'm going to get a stage 3 head. We're going to take these two heads in, give them to Bo. And then we're going to take this badass head that I just spent a buttload of money on off. And we're going to take that, and we're going to trade all that stuff in for a roller, cammed out, ported and polished head, and that stainless header that he offers. So that's going to be awesome. What else we got going on? We have an automatic transmission we're putting in. I finally got a C4. It's pretty BA. So I got like a cooler here. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's kind of dark in the old garage. And I got this sweet old shifter. Look at this place. Jesus. Look at that shifter though, man. That's pretty sick. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Can't wait to hit the trans brake, man, and launch with an automatic. I've never been really able to launch because it always just bangs out of gear. Got some tranny cooler line. Got some gaskets, put her back together. I don't know what else we got going on here. But we're going to start taking her apart. Get her down to the head, get the head off. This road trip is going to be so epic. I'm going to try and video as much as possible, but I'm leaving from Michigan, driving all the way out to Nevada to meet up with Bo. And then I'm going to head to Arizona because Hughes Performance, I don't know if you know them guys, but they're huge when it comes to transmissions, converters, all that good stuff. They make some sweet products. And I'm heading to them because they made me a custom converter for my C4, which I'm going to pick up from them. And then I may head down Route 66, take some video, check some stuff out. I'm not really for sure. Not having a job right now. This is probably my last go around to being able to do something cool and then back to work. And then all this is just back to normal. So stay tuned. I'll give you a little update once I get a little further into this. Show you what's going on underneath the valve cover there. Because it's pretty cool. I don't know what any of it is, but it's pretty cool. But yeah, man. All right, well, stay tuned, and yeah, just keep watching. Don't click it. Don't you dare click it. Just keep watching. I swear it does not get any better. But help a brother out. Help a brother out. Keep watching. Love you guys. Well, we're good again. I can't find my 13mm for nothing. It's terrible. Doing a little Facebooker live. Nobody wants to join though. I don't know. Nobody loves me. Anyways, we got the turbo off. And yes, that is some copper gasket sealer crappy stuff. That's going bye-bye. Because we're going to get a new Beauport stainless header. It's going to be radical. Yep, it's going to be sweet. We're getting there. We're going to get the intake off. And then we're going to get the valve cover off. Timing gear thing there. Belt. Yeah. Yep. We're getting there. And we back. We back. We got 1 bolt. 1 bolt to take out. It's probably gonna fall. You think it's gonna fall? It's gonna fall, isn't it? What do you think? It's gonna. Yeah, it's falling. Oh no, it didn't fall. Too bad. So, look what I forgot. How do you forget the throttle cable? Son of a! Like it didn't even happen. Ha! Okay, got it now. Alright, I think this is it. Oh, jeez, damn rigged up dipstick tube. This is hard. This is hard. Why won't you go? There we go. Yeah, I had to drill my own kind of hole in there. Rig it all up. Uh-oh, it's going on with things. Oh, Jesus, everything's falling. We're getting there. Let's see, we got to pull the header off yet. And I should probably drain the oil. Because I got to pull the oil feed off back there. Yeah, don't look at my wiring. Don't look at that. Don't let me just, okay, there we go. So, yeah, I got to pull that drain feed off there. And, yep. Take the valve cover off. Got to take the timing belt off yet. Take the top radiator hose. I got radiator hose. I got to take off. That ground back there. Valve cover. And then, yeah. Yep. We should be ready to pull her out of there. A little water left in there. Set her over here by the collection of heads and turbo. Alright. We going. We getting there. I'll see you in a minute. Well, over there. Got her all tore down. Just gotta get the oil feed out yet. But, yeah, here's that head. Here's what was making all that racket. You can tell she's pretty badass. Look at the cam towers on that thing. They're thick, boy. I'll show you. Here's a factory one. There's a factory one, how thin those are. Compared to the ones I have. And this is roller. Where this one up here, I think is what they call flat tappet or something. Where you got lash valves and you adjust those. which don't get me wrong, this is sweet. I don't think it's ever been ported, but I'm not for sure. I mean, it is pretty smooth up in there, and it's pretty big. It might have been hogged out, but... So this is what I've learned is an ACI head, aftermarket cast aluminum, or cast iron, I'm sorry. There isn't much out there about them. I know they're pretty rare now. They used to sell them quite a bit, but this one has Illuminati cam, Illuminati, you know, them people that run the world, cam in it. Got double springs. It's pretty badass, man. I'm not gonna lie. If you watch the rev video, or the one that I put in earlier on in the video, you'll see, boy, she revs right up to 7,100 real quick. It's pretty sweet. But we're taking this one off, even though we just put it on, fired it up once, taking it off, and like I said earlier, switching her out to a Beauport roller that's been all ported and everything, so I'll be a lot happier with that, I think. I won't have to adjust these every second, you know. But, yep, we're almost there. We're going to get this all the way pulled off, and then we're going to call it a night. Get ready to package them all up and go on our journey out west. Just got to pull that timing belt off, pull the hose off here, the thermostat housing, and that looks like it. All right, we'll see you in a minute. We'll see you in a minute. Second? Hour? I don't know. Well, there we are. Bam! Again. So this is the second time I've been here. First time I tore it down because when I pulled her in after the winter here, I noticed 1 and 3 had a problem, like not firing, so kind of figured out it was like valve seats or valve guides or something like that. Got it off, found another head. That's where I got into this situation. But then I get this head off, and well, that one's, don't mind the liquid that's from pulling it off, but that one's firing. Kinda. See if it'll focus. There we go. Kinda not really, but that one's pretty good. Oh. No fire. Yeah, that one's firing. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure now it's something with a setting in my computer. And or something with my wonderful wiring. But boy, I'm going to tell you what. I know that did not fire. And if you guys seen that video, dude, this thing wrapped right up to $7,000, no problem. On 3 cylinders. And I don't even know if number 1's firing properly. Yeah, probably making a mistake by swapping this head out, but at least that other one will be all brand new and it'll be what I want. And plus I'll get that badass header. And then once we get it back together, well, it looks like we're going to have to figure out what the hell's going on. It can't be anything to do with that right there. Oh, that's horrible. I just wish this thing would just, run. Or it was running, But I guess this is what guys that do stuff like this do. This is probably why I don't do stuff like this. But, well, we got a little bit before we take our vacation and go get our parts. So it'll be a good couple weeks at least before the head's back on and we get to try it out because, like I said, the header guy's a month out or something like that. So I'm going to have that shipped to me. But my converter and the head, hopefully I can bring home with me. But I don't know. I don't know what the plans are right now. I'm a little bummed that is like that. Makes me wonder now. Probably did all this for nothing. But it's not for nothing. It's not for nothing, right? Now we're going to get a badass, ported, cammed out roller head. And it's going to be great. It's, it's gonna be great. I promise you. Well, as always, I sure do appreciate you guys watching. I know my videos aren't the sweetest, but hopefully I can get into videoing more. But man, I really need to get a camera. I want to get a camera for my trip that I'm about to take out to Nevada and kind of document that, because I think that'd be pretty cool. At least for me, when I get older, I can watch it again. But yeah, so I guess that's it for now. I hope you guys are working on your own project, getting your cars ready. I hope they're already ready. And I hope you're out there drag racing, bouncing your hydraulics, banging your bass, whatever it is you love to do. As always, though, rally on.